Here's how to easily remove people from photos. First of all, open the photo and from tool panel select this lasso selection tool, and now you have to select the people you want to remove from your photo. Once you select it, click on select, modify, contract, give here 5 pixels. Then right click on your selected subject and click on fill. Here make sure to select content hour and click on OK. In just a few seconds your subject will remove. Now press Ctrl D and here we can see a part still showing. So I'm just again selecting the part from here just like this. Go to select, modify, contract, 5 pixels, right clicking here, fill, OK, and pressing Ctrl D, and that's how you can actually remove someone from photo.